This is Araku, a valley carved in silence, painted by clouds and brought to life by rain. When the world slows down, Araku begins to breathe. The winds carry stories of hills that hold secrets and forests that never sleep. This is not a place you visit, it's a place you feel. Every leaf dances, every stone glistens. The earth smells like poetry, fresh, wild, alive. This is where roads disappear into mist and time forgets to move. Two hill stations, one heartbeat, one season, Monsoon. These are not just places on a map. They are feelings in motion, fleeting, foggy, and unforgettable. And this is where the monsoon lives.